Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer care package inbound. So we got a package here to unbox. Somebody sent us a care package in. But first of all, I want to welcome you guys back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome. Bat knife on deck. Wow, so somebody sent in a fixed wing F-22 and there's something else in here. I'm guessing this is the transmitter. Yep, he wrote on there, this is the transmitter for the F-22. We have some accessories for it. And also, wow, I think this is the hoodie 807. So they sent one in. And it says, Frequent Flyer, thanks for all the great reviews. RC Otaku. Wow. Shout out to you, man. I appreciate it. So it's the white one. And some extra props as well. I appreciate it, man. You're definitely going to see a flight of this F-22. Hopefully it's better than the fixed wing that I had. I'm guessing that you're trying to show me that fixed wings can be good because that one was bad. Hopefully this one will fly better. I'll have a better experience with that, hopefully. I'm really going to enjoy this. I appreciate it so much, man. You guys can expect a flight of this thing coming up really soon. And I'm definitely going to be flying this guy around. This U-807, brand new, sent in from RC Otaku. And it's going to be powered by a battery sent in from my good friend Chuck. So this whole episode is basically subscriber driven. Devo 12 here, so it's going to be flown on the classic location, the Devo 12E. Let's get it in the air. Placing it down. Hopefully we don't have it acting weird out here. Not gonna fly it too long. Just wanted to get this guy in the air. See, do I got flips set? Yep. And it's windy out here. Yep. Some weird issues going on. It just started pitching downward and tried to fly off into the parking lot over there at Home Depot. I'm not going to fly it too long. Don't want this guy to fly away on me. Truck just came in for Home Depot. Really busy over here. Another reason not to just keep flying this guy, but just wanted to get it in the air. U-807, brand new, hoodie, sent in from RC Otaku. I'll try to get that wing, that fixed wing up in the air. As soon as I can, I'm gonna take that out to the park. Bring it in. The hoodie U-807. Thanks for watching.